So most for sale by owners will offer some sort of a commission. When you call for sale by owner, 60, 70, 80%, 90% of them, I don't know the exact number right now, they will offer a commission. They will offer a commission. Now, they will not offer you a full commission, but even if right now you're going to go list with your SOI or your past client, most likely you're not going to get a full commission. I had a situation a couple of months back. These are good clients of mine. We're friends on Facebook. I helped them with their house 5 years ago. They called me up. They're like, Alan, we want to sell our house. We want to buy a house in the desert. Great, awesome. I can definitely help you. So we signed a listing agreement. I gave them a discount, lowered my commission from 6% to 5% total. And then like 2 days before we're going live, we already took the pictures and everything like that. They're like, hey, Alan, my husband's cousin, he's a licensed agent, and he's telling us he can do it for 3%, and he wants to increase the price of the house by 25K. And I'm like, okay. So what do I do in this situation? I can play hardball and say, hey, we already got the listing agreement in place or this, that, or I had to become creative. And my creative juices were like, all right, not a problem. We'll raise the price by $25,000. I can take that chance. And I said, look, I'm not going to be able to meet you at 3%, but let's do it 4% commission. Are you going to be okay with that? Yes, Alan, we feel good with you and we want to work with you. We're fine, 4% commission. So now, like literally within 5 minutes, I went from 5% to 4%. That's a lot of money, by the way. It's a $500,000 house. That's a lot of money. But I had no choice. I could have said no, and most likely they would get pissed. They would do everything on their end to cancel it, and I would get zero. And unhappy client. So most of the for sale by owners will offer you commission, guys. We just have to be creative, and I'll share with you in the later slides how we do that.